text description provided by the architects. Sited next to a band of cottonwoods and aspens occupying the former riverbed of the Snake River, Black Fox Ranch consists of a couple's primary residence and a barn with stables. The design and planning draw from the site's history as a working cattle ranch, with 100-year-old irrigation ditches, remnants of a 19th century trapper's cabin, corrals, and game trails, seasonally frequented by 400-plus head of elk, that crisscross the 35-acre ranch. The client's choice of site was influenced by their appreciation of wildlife and conservation as well as their love of horses and desire to return the land to its historic roots as a working ranch with livestock and hay production. The barn, corral, and pastures are situated close to the residence, ensuring that the horses are a constant visual presence. The neighborhood has access to miles of private riding trails that access the Snake River and Grand Teton National Park. The low-slung, 3-bedroom residence gradually rises from the meadow, capped by a compact second story containing the primary bedroom suite and an office suite with access to a rooftop deck. The long, low slope of the roof is structured with a cross-laminated timber, CLT, roof system. The deep overhang creates cover for an outdoor dining terrace that frames Teton Mountain views to the west and the Gros Ventre Range to the east.